Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and my name is Judy. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say where are you from in Cebuano dialect. Where are you from? Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? Asa is where. Ka is you. Taga-asa ka? Where are you from? Taga is like from, okay? So, taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? Okay, sometimes you can say, taga-asa di ay ka? Taga-asa di ay ka? Asa, di ay is it's just an expression to make the sentence sound softer. Okay, taga-asa di ay ka? Taga-asa di ay ka? So that's the normal speed in saying where are you from. Okay, check out my other videos on learning how to speak the Cebuano dialect. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and bye bye. See you in the next episode.